Okay, new TV, new sound bar. This is the Sony SC40. I bought it at Costco. It was like 160 something after taxes. So a very good deal. Okay, let's see what we have here. All right. Let's see. I'm doing this with one hand. It's never fun. Okay, so we see the soundbar over there. This is the subwoofer. We'll see how good the sound is going to be. Okay, here it is. It's very light. I like it. These are the ports that you will see. You have the HDMI, ARC. So your TV needs to have the ARC HDMI port to connect, or that optical cable that you see there on the right. Other than that, this doesn't have any other port. So if you have an older TV model, so you will be struggling to hook it up unless you buy adapters. Oh, there is also a USB here. So maybe you can also plug a device through that USB. But really, I just need it for the TV. Okay, so it comes with a bunch of manuals in different languages. Barra de sonido, there you have it. It comes with an HDMI cable, power cord, remote. They also include a couple of batteries. And what is this? Another power cord? Ah, for the subwoofer. Yeah. So this is the actual sound bar right there. Sony. Nice. Looking good. And sorry about my mess over there. This is the subwoofer. I'm probably mispronouncing it, so sorry guys. I think it's kind of large. Actually, I may just place it over here to cover that power cable from the TV. Let's see if that works. So I'm just about to plug it in and give it a try. Okay, so this is how it's looking. That's the sound bar. This little thing is 15 inches deep, 15 inches tall, so it is big, and it's about 7.5 inches wide. And the sound bar itself is about 35.5 inches long. So there you have it. Let's try the sound and the remote. Okay, something really nice about this remote, you can control the sound, the volume from this little circle. Goes up and down. So I'm reducing the volume right now. But that's not what I wanted to show you. What I wanted to show you is this other one. This is to add or remove bass. So that's really neat. You don't have to go into a menu and start playing around with those things. So I'm loving this remote. I love it. So I'm putting a little bit of sound and I'm adjusting the bass here. It's going up. It's a +7, +8. You cannot see from here, but I can see. And I really like the fact that you don't have to go into a menu to adjust those settings. All right. This is it. This is great. I love this little remote. Okay, now let's test the volume and also the sound quality. It was on 0. That's 30%. 50. 77. Well, definitely we don't need more than that. This is really good. The quality, we like it. Our family is giving 2 thumbs up to this little soundbar, and I hope you find this review helpful.